In the next year or two, the US automaker Tesla will seek to source all of its components with those that are made outside of China. According to several media reports, the EV makers no longer willing to absorb the tariffs imposed by the US administration.
The uncertainty that the on again, off again tariff policy announcements is really starting to affect prices and returns for different sectors of the market and different parts of the economy differently.
Replacing batteries, electronics, and control modules can be expensive and time consuming. And reports suggest Tesla had to delay manufacturing of new models and instead introduced lower cost variants of its existing models. Other legacy automakers that rely on China-made components are facing bigger pressure.
Think of it this way: a higher priced car has an ability to absorb a price increase. They can create different packages, they can offer different features, they can even reduce the profit on that car slightly if it's say a $100,000 car. On a car that costs less than say $40,000, there's really no place to absorb that cost, and so that's going to have an impact, which unfortunately a group of consumers who can least afford to have a price increase.
The Trump administration insists tariffs are meant to revive domestic manufacturing.
But, the auto industry is one that makes long-term investments. So I think the investments are relatively slow at this point. They're being whipsawed by these tariffs, and, it's a nightmare for the auto industry because they have to figure out what to do and they have no idea what the future is going to be. And not only for the tariffs, but for the whole electric vehicle market in the US.
Tesla's move to stop using China-based suppliers for its US manufacturing reflects the toll the trade tariffs are having on the nation's auto industry, at a time when it's already facing increased competition and market saturation. Ediz, Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.